In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges of your HP DeskJet 2622 all-in-one inkjet printer. The first step is to switch on the printer. So press the power button. Once your printer is on, we have to open the front chamber. Once your printer is on, we have to open the front chamber. So you can just open like this. There is another door, you have to pull it out and then wait for the ink chamber to move. Now the ink cartridges have moved and come into the middle. Press the ink cartridge down with your finger and then it will come out. So you have to press it little bit hard. Take your new ink cartridges, remove the seal. So the seal is usually at the bottom place and then we have to install it. Now place it here and push it with your finger. Hold the printer with the other hand. So you have to apply some pressure. Once you hear the lock sound, it is installed properly. Close the door. Installed it properly, there will be no error and it will display the estimated level of ink and none of the light will blink regarding the color ink or the black ink. So this way we can install the ink cartridges in this printer. Thanks for watching.